Some assert that American has become synonymous with mediocrity due to the influence of media on core values is to overlook the rich tapestry of innovation, diversity, and excellence that has long characterized the United States. This claim rests on a narrow and selective reading of both American culture and its media landscape. Firstly, the American identity is not monolithic. It is a complex amalgamation of global influences, historical contexts, and a pioneering spirit. This diversity is reflected not just in the demographic makeup of the nation, but also in its cultural, scientific, and business achievements. Americans have been at the forefront of numerous fields, including technology, medicine, engineering, and the arts. Companies like Apple, Google, and Boeing, and institutions like NASA and the CDC underscore America's role as a beacon of innovation and excellence. Secondly, the influence of the media is indeed significant, but it is not a homogeneous force that molds every American in the same way. The media landscape in America is incredibly diverse, encompassing a wide range of viewpoints across the political, cultural, and social spectrums. From independent films to grassroots social media campaigns, from local newspapers to global news networks, the media in America provides a platform for a multitude of voices and perspectives. Furthermore, it is a reductionist view to suggest that Americans adapt core values from media without critical engagement or personal reflection. American educational institutions, community groups, religious organizations, and family units play integral roles in value formation and critical thinking. These bodies often provide a counterbalance to the media's influence, fostering a culture of debate, discussion, and diverse thought. Moreover, the claim of mediocrity ignores the cultural exports of the United States that have had a profound impact worldwide. American music, film, literature, and technology are consumed globally and have often set benchmarks in quality and innovation. The influence of American culture is a testament to its vitality and appeal, rather than an indictment of its mediocrity. In conclusion, while media influence is an integral part of the modern world, including the United States, to equate American values and identity solely with media influence is to ignore the broader, richer context of American life and its contributions to the world. America's strengths lie in its capacity for reinvention and resilience, qualities that are anything but mediocre.